my friends, and welcome to Art Fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes, and in this video I'm gonna make something very interesting. I'm gonna try painting on the beanies. And why it's interesting? Because I don't have any idea is it even possible to paint on the beanies because of its fabric. It's a knitted fabric. And I'm not sure will the paint stick to it, but I'm gonna figure it out in this video. And if you are watching this video, if I posted it, it means that the result is not a disaster. So especially for this video I bought two beanies, black and white, and both of them I'm gonna paint, and as always I created very interesting designs. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna paint white beanie, and here is the design I'm gonna paint. First I wanted to paint just Illuminati eye, and I was looking for images of some interesting eyes to use as a reference. And I saw Billie Eilish eyes, she has very interesting eyes, and then the idea popped up in my head and I named this design The Conspiracy Theory of Billie Eilish. And first I'm gonna sketch design using fabric marker, and here is the image of the eye which I'm gonna paint. And I can say that it's pretty easy to draw on the beanie with marker, but as you can see lines are blurry, so it's impossible to create design using just marker. And also marker doesn't dry as quick as it would dry on other kind of fabrics, and I have to be careful to don't smudge lines with my hand. And now I'm gonna continue with paints. I'm gonna use black color paint and brush. And don't know, can you notice or no, but I can't create a thin and clear lines with brush on this kind of fabric. But I need such lines because this design is graphic. So I decided to try using outliners to draw such lines. And yes, outliners are definitely what you need if you want to draw beautiful, thin and clear lines on the beanies. But brush is perfect if you want to create shadows or some strokes. And now I realized that beanie stretches when you're wearing it, and this lower part where I painted ends of the wings doesn't look pretty at all because there are gaps in lines. So I need some hat, some big hat to put beanie on and fill in these gaps. And here it is! This doll's hat even bigger than mine. And I mixed black paint with water, and I decided to completely paint ends of the wings with black color. And also I decided to add a bit colors, so I decided to use purple outliner to outline the wings. And now I'm gonna write "See me in a crown." And now the final touches, paint splashes. I'm gonna add a couple of strokes, some stains, you know. And now I need to clean table from paint splashes to prepare it for the next beanie. And this time I don't have sketch, I have just an idea, and I don't want to create anything complicated or anything graphic because it was really hard, so I decided to create design just with strokes. And first I create an undercoat with white color. And now I need all these beautiful colors. And even though I created an undercoat, paints definitely soak into the fabric, and you probably don't see it on the video, but yellow, for example, in a 5 minutes turned into the dull yellow, and I don't have such problem when I paint on the t-shirts, for example. So I think I will have to put many layers of paint to make colors with it. And here I noticed that colors are dull again, so I decided to put a large amount of paint with outliners. And the last part is writing. Painting is finished! Well guys, what can I say? Even though I managed to create something interesting and cute and wearable, it was really hard. It was so hard to make thin lines, it was so hard to paint on the black beanie. I had to put 6 or 7 layers of paint to make the colors with it. So yeah, maybe it wasn't the best idea to paint on the knitted fabric. But I think that the best design for the beanies, if you want to paint your beanies, is just some writings. You can easily write on the beanies. You can easily splatter paint, make some strokes, and such design will look so cool and it won't be hard. But more complicated designs, no, don't even try to do it. I hope guys you enjoyed this video, and if you did, if you are new here, and I hope to see you next time. Fashion is art. Bye bye.